Hey guys, so we're heading to Cedar Key Beach, Cedar Key Island on the west coast of Florida. We stopped by for breakfast at the Spring Park Cafe here on Green Cove Springs. So heading west from here. How was the coffee? How was the food?
It's amazing. It's a must try. It's also one of our top favorites every time we're here at Green Cove. Definitely check it out. It's beautiful inside, especially after the renovation. They have opened it up a little bit more. I think they also bought the shop next to it, so you can imagine how good it is that they were able to expand. So come and check it out. It's really, I love the decoration, love their coffee, their desserts, their different flavors.
And they have food though. They have breakfast too,
they
and,
do.
and other things. So the only thing here is parking. It's a little bit tight, so but you can park across the street. But again, Spring Park Cafe on Green Cove Springs. I'll see you guys later. So after breakfast, we are heading to Cedar Lake Woods and Gardens. This property is kind of sort of on the way to Cedar Key. The property is really a botanical garden. It's really beautiful. It has a lot of trails. We enjoyed it. It has waterfalls. It has a Chinese sort of oriental theme to it. We have a lot of fun in this place. You can see on the video here all the beautiful areas. The property is about 84 acres big, 84 or around 80 acres big. Beautiful place. It's all a non-for-profit organization, so please come here and visit. Now, in order to get here, the access roads are dirt roads. So if you come here with a motorcycle, just be careful. If you're not very sure skill on your bike on dirt roads, just come with a car. But it's definitely worth the visit. It's a very, very beautiful place, and it's located on the middle of Florida. Check it out. Hello?
So pretty. Look at that.
This live oak tree is estimated to be close to around 500 years old. It's huge. It's beautiful as well. Well, after a fun place of the gardens, now we're heading west, finally on the last stretch towards Cedar Key. It is a beautiful, beautiful ride. It was chilly in the afternoon. Now we're chasing the sunset. I love this shot. So it was chilly. I think it was around 50 degrees heading out. And well, Marlene is from Puerto Rico. I'm from Ecuador, so we love our heat. So 50 for us is very, very cold, especially on a motorcycle. So we're trying out some heated gloves. They're working very well. So, but anyway, the road is beautiful. I hope you guys at some point get to be here. You're gonna pass a lot of farmland, a lot of cows, sheep, goats. Beautiful, beautiful ride. Now this is the town of Cedar Key. This is a drone show that took. In essence, we stayed at a small Airbnb here. The town is like going back 50 years ago or so. The place is very relaxed. It's just like an island time. We ate. We had dinner at this place called Steamers. The food here on every single place is just fantastic. The people are nice, very relaxed, very welcoming, and they take a lot of pride on their food or whatever on all they do. To be honest, because even the stuff that we bought is really fantastic. So try it. Everything is fresh. Even the fish, the salads. The wings we had. Everything was just out of this world. It's like homemade with a lot of pride. So definitely recommend a trip. We're gonna definitely be back here. the sun, the ocean, everything is beautiful. The views are beautiful. Yeah, it was chilly when we rode, but even our Airbnb is just so cute and fantastic. It's a one size apartment type of place. So if you guys can come here with your family, it's just very relaxed. Actually, from where we stayed and all the view that you see here from the drone, we just walk. It's a 10-minute walk from where we stayed to the main part, which is right on the water. With all the restaurants are and shops. Just what you see is the town right there in the middle. There's coffee shops on First Street, Main Street. The island part is just absolutely fantastic. It's actually I even consider buying a place here just to have a vacation home or something. So anyway, maybe we will. I don't know, but definitely recommend Cedar Key on the west coast of Florida. We learned a lot about this place today. And I think this wraps up the episode. There will be a second part to it. Especially don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you like this content. It helps us a lot. And the second part, you're gonna see the Ozello Tray, famous Ozello Tray here in the west coast of Florida. Monkey Island Bar, and the Monkey Island itself. It's kind of funny. It's like Monkey's Alcatraz. And us probably riding at night. I don't think I got any footage of us riding at night, but it was interesting. So that's the second episode, and maybe we'll just combine it on the way back. The way back, we had a great coffee place. You're gonna love it on Gainesville. You have to try that. Anyway, peace out.